Hey guys, Dominique again, catalog manager here at Sunken Stone. Today we are learning about dropshipping. So dropshipping, if you're a seller who's looking to avoid sitting with stock altogether, you don't want to have to house it in your home, your garage, your warehouse, you can actually dropship fairly easily, and it could be the sales model right for you. It's a form of online selling where the retailer doesn't have to pay up front for the products they list online. Instead, when a product is ordered, the supplier will pack and ship the product instead of the retailer having to do it. This process allows the retailers to keep their prices low without having to deal with the cost and burden of storing inventory. Thank you very much for watching today. Make sure to like and subscribe below and pick up your copy of the Ultimate Amazon Playbook. And in the next video, we will be discussing fulfillment by Amazon.